have another very nice air conditioner at Wolford Elementary School. It's a Guardian. I have a brand plate in the AV Museum for Guardian. It's got a Bristol compressor. Model number is GCGD24S21S2XA. Serial number WOH9091103. It is running. Here's the line set. And so the disconnect box is probably that one right there. And I guess there's Matt right there. And these are all the air conditioners again inside the fan. So that's it. This is an Unhooked Guardian. It's a heat pump. No, this isn't a heat pump. Straight cool unit. It's a 24,000 BTUs, 2-ton from 2007. Dad's sticker. See, it's Unhooked. That, I think they're going to probably replace one of these. There's the Grand Air to replace this unit. There's the compressor. It is a... I don't know what kind of compressor that is. It's not a Bristol, though. It might be a Copeland Scroll. I doubt it, though. Guardian doesn't usually use Copeland Scroll. It has a... GE fan loader. Is this train running? No, it's not. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's 2 kids over there wondering what the heck I'm doing. So, yeah. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.